Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by putting the camera in setup quickly. Open the Blink app and choose Add Device. This makes the app search for the camera. While the app is searching, hold the camera's setup button until the LED blinks blue. This signals setup mode. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you want the camera to use. The 2.4 GHz band usually works better for range. Once the camera appears in the app, tap it to begin the network change flow. Now you will choose and confirm the replacement network. In the camera settings, tap Change Wi-Fi or Network Settings. The app lists available SSIDs detected by the camera. Select the correct SSID and carefully type the password. Case matters, then submit. The camera will attempt to join and the app shows progress. This can take up to 2 minutes as the device authenticates and completes a firmware handshake. Make sure your phone stays near the camera to maintain Bluetooth or local connection during this step. Finish by confirming the camera is online and streaming. Open Live View and look for a steady image and a green status indicator. This proves the new Wi-Fi is active. If the camera fails to connect, power cycle it first, then re-enter the password carefully and retry near the router. If issues persist, factory reset by holding setup for 20 seconds, which clears old network configs, then re-add the device through the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.